కూర్చోపోయారు ఐదు నిమిషాలు
అక్కలే సార్
కూర్చుంటే హ్యాపీగా ఉంటుంది నీకు కూడా
అక్కలే చెప్పండి సార్.
యాక్చువల్లీ all of you students to listen carefully కిరణ్ నువ్వు లేకపోతే రాము గారు ఇప్పుడు బయట వెళ్ళిపోయింది YR equal to YR means resultant displacement. Okay, look here nana, yesterday I discussed beads concept nana. Beads nana, two sound waves traveling in the same direction, having the same amplitude, same wavelength, but slightly difference in frequencies. Superimpose means fall one wave on the other wave and to produce a maximum sound and minimum sound. Okay, maximum sound is called waxing, minimum sound is called waning. Waxing plus waning is called as beat. Okay, in the beat nana, beat frequency formula also I give yesterday. Beat frequency means delta n equal to n1 minus n2, larger frequency minus smaller frequency. n1 is frequency of the first wave, n2 is frequency of the second wave. n1 is frequency of the first wave, n2 is frequency of the second wave. Okay, yesterday I give resultant displacement equation. This is the resultant displacement equation. Here YR equal to AR into sin of, it will be obtained in the yesterday. Okay, here nana, the question is find the frequency of resultant wave. Once again I repeat, the frequency of resultant wave. Look here nana. Here nana, this is the resultant wave equation. This is the frequency of the resultant wave. What is the frequency of resultant wave? n1 plus n2 by 2. Here n1 is frequency of the first wave, n2 is frequency of the second wave. Next nana, the frequency of the, look here once again, the frequency of the amplitude of resultant wave. The frequency of amplitude of resultant wave. Look here nana, the frequency of amplitude of resultant wave. According to this concept, amplitude, in the amplitude, this is the frequency. What is the frequency of amplitude of resultant wave? n1 minus n2 by 2. This is given in the JEE Main 2016. Once again I repeat, the frequency of the resultant wave is n1 plus n2 by 2. The frequency of amplitude in the resultant wave is n1 minus n2 by 2. Here n1 is frequency of the first wave, n2 is frequency of the second wave. Look here nana, look here. Next nana I discuss. Okay, next nana I discuss. Look here nana. Next here, look here. This is very important topic. Look here. This is the first wave nana. This is the second wave. Okay, first wave amplitude A1, second wave amplitude A2. Here intensity, yesterday I discussed in the chapter intensity denoted by I. Intensity is nothing but the loudness. Okay, loudness. Intensity directly proportional to A square. Intensity directly proportional to A square. Directly proportional to A square. First wave amplitude A1, second wave amplitude A2. Intensity directly proportional to A square, square of the amplitude. Here Nana, for example, I discuss I maximum intensity Nana. Look here Nana. Here maximum intensity means Nana both the waves added A1 plus A2. Here it write neatly A1 plus A2 whole square. And again, what is the minimum intensity? Look here. Minimum intensity means A1 minus A2 whole square, because minimum means both the waves opposite phase superimpose. Okay. Finally, we get what is the I maximum by I minimum. What is the I maximum by I minimum? Here I maximum equal to A1 plus A2. I minimum equal to A1 minus A2 whole square. Look here now. What is the I maximum by I minimum? A1 plus A2 by A1 minus A2 whole square. This is the formula for I maximum by I minimum. A1 plus A2 by A1 minus A2 whole square. This is also most important formula in the syllabus number. Okay. Yesterday I discussed time difference between two successive maxima and minima. Two successive maxima or successive minima is 1 by n1 difference n2. That means maxima ki madhya time difference formula enti 1 by n1 difference n2. Time difference between successive maxima and minima. Maxima ki minima ki difference is 1 by 2 n1 difference n2. This is also most important formula nana. Beats application is beats applications. What is the use ante ikkada rendu tuning forks unnai. Look here nana, two tuning forks unnai. In the two tuning forks nana, ఒకటి నో అంటే ఇది ఒక 250 హెర్ట్జ్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఇట్స్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఈజ్ 250 హెర్ట్జ్. వన్స్ అగైన్ ఐ రిపీట్, హియర్ ఐ టేక్ టూ ట్యూనింగ్ ఫోక్స్ నానా. ఫస్ట్ ట్యూనింగ్ ఫోక్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఈజ్ గివెన్ అండ్ అదర్ ట్యూనింగ్ ఫోక్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఈజ్ నాట్ గివెన్. నాట్ గివెన్ ఫోర్క్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ అన్నోన్ ఫోర్క్. గివెన్ ఫోర్క్ ఈజ్ known fork. This is the known fork frequency. This is unknown fork frequency. Both are vibrated by using rubber hammer, and to vibrate, because of vibrations it releases the sound waves. These sound waves are superimposed to produce the beats. What is the beats formula? Delta n equal to n1 difference n2, simply called as larger minus smaller. According to this formula, to determine the unknown fork frequency and give the shortest formulas also, because the concept is to determine the unknown fork frequency. Okay, by using I give shortest methods nana. Shortest methods nana to solve the problems. First nana, here beats increases. Here beats decreases or same. Non fork loaded or unknown fork filed. Second condition. Here the second condition is unknown fork loaded or known fork filed. Okay? Nana, what is the meaning of loading? What is the meaning of filing? Okay, I explain first. This is the tuning fork, Nana. Okay, this is called stem. This is called pranks. Once again I repeat, this is the tuning fork, Nana. This is called pranks, Nana. This is called stem. Here Nana, loading means some wax is attached. Some material is attached to the tuning fork. That's meaning is loaded. Actually, frequency and thickness always in the tuning fork inversely. Once again I repeat, frequency of the tuning fork and thickness all are inversely proportional to Nana. Here loading means thickness increases, frequency decreases. Okay, and again this is the tuning fork, Nana. Here in the tuning fork some part is cutting, Nana. Some part is cutting means that is called filed. Once again I repeat, that is called filed. Filed means some thickness is decreased. Frequency and thickness always inversely. Here thickness decreases, frequency increases. Do you understand? Once again I repeat, loading means thickness increases, frequency decreases. Filing means thickness decreases, frequency increases. Here to solve these problems, Nana, these conditions to be followed. Once again, what is the first condition? Here known fork is loaded. Known fork is loaded. Known fork is loaded. OR unknown fork is filed. Here the formula is n dash equal to n plus delta n. Here the condition is beats increases. Once again I repeat, known fork loaded kanipinchi, beats increase kanipiste, what is the formula for n dash, Nana? N plus delta n. Here n dash is unknown frequency. That means this can be determined. N is called known frequency. Known frequency and given frequency is here. Unknown frequency is here. Delta n is called initial number of beats. Initial number of beats. In the same situation, here initial number of beats 4. After some time beats is 2 and beats decreases. OR initial number of beats 4. Final number of beats also 4. That means beats are same. This formula can be used. N dash equal to n minus delta n. Okay. This formula is applicable for beats is decreases. The condition is made. Known fork loaded and frequency 250 Hz. That fork is loaded and beats increase ante n plus delta n formula. Beats decreases ante n minus delta n. Decreases by beats are same anna kuda n minus delta n. Here look here. Unknown fork loaded anna, known fork filed anna. This is the n dash value, Nana. N dash formula is n minus delta n. Here, Nana, beats decreases and n dash equal to n plus delta n. These four formulas used to solve the problem. Here n dash is unknown fork frequency. N is known fork frequency. Delta n is number of beats initially. To see, once again, to focus the board and to see the concept and to solve the problems. Classwork 10 problems are there. Worksheet also 10 problems are there. Now I give assignment also today, Nana, to solve the problems, and I explain in this class some models also. Okay, look here, Nana, look here.